EXPO Belgrade is a big opportunity for San Marino for participating. It's a great nation, really close to San Marino, and we will be very happy to be here in the 2027. We still not yet confirmed the participation, but we are on the way. We have to set the budget to take all the information from this IPM. San Marino is now in Osaka. I'm the Commissioner General of San Marino to Osaka, and we are really committed for the Expo. We participated in Shanghai in 2010, in Milan, Dubai. Now we are in Osaka, and I think Specialized Expo will be a great opportunity for us because we are not participating in other Specialized Expo, but we are happy to be here and to arrange to plan our participation here. The message we have to share in Serbia and Belgrade is cooperation, peace, to enjoy this wonderful country.